Hey everyone, so we are leaving Gokarna right now, and we are heading towards Honnavar. Backwaters are calling. After having such a beautiful stay in Gokarna, we are heading towards another resort which is very close to the backwaters. So once we'll reach, we'll do our boating and all. So right now we have to go 3.8 kilometer like this. So let's go. One thing I didn't like about the resorts at Kudle Beach, the actual resorts are like very far from the parking. So carrying all the luggages, even they provided one person to help, it was like terrible. Since the temperature is like too much and it's like humid, so we were sweating like anything. See, if you have not been to Gokarna and if you're planning a bike ride, just think twice. Still the temperature is fine right now, but don't come during the summer season, peak summer. Plan during the time of plan post monsoon, I would say, like September. Even in monsoon it's going to be horrible. The reason is like it's a kind of, Gokarna has a lot of landslides area, so you need to be very careful. Just try to avoid this place in monsoon, and come after September or October. That would be kind of very nice time. Koi phone kar raha hai lala, someone is calling. So in Gokarna we just went to Kudle Beach and Om Beach. Apart from that, you can also visit Paradise and Moon Beach, Half Moon Beach or something. But since all the beaches are same, and Gokarna is basically famous for one beach, that is Om Beach. So yeah, it's up to you. If you wanna keep roaming around different beaches, it's completely up to you. But my experience, as per my experience, Kudle Beach is the best beach, trust me. Om Beach is very beautiful. If you have a drone, you can have the aerial view, you can take good shots, no doubt about it. But if you really want to experience peace, the calmness, and good cafes like so and good foods, actually, Kudle Beach is the best. We also had to visit Jatayu Tirtha. That is also one place you can visit, Jatayu Tirtha. But that's all right. We didn't want to strain ourselves much, and you can see some other vlog for Jatayu Tirtha. We are not gonna cover that. So without straining too much, we had limited visits in Gokarna, and I will leave what all places you can visit in Gokarna, okay, that you can check in our description. And you can plan your day here. Mostly we ate at one particular cafe, Shangri-La. they offered amazing fish, and everywhere you'll get your drinks, but Shangri-La was the one that I would recommend, and rest is completely up to you where you want to eat. That is as per your choice. So yeah, be very careful on those curves, you know. Oh my god, just look at this place. Not backwater, I don't think so. Oh, salt. Okay, so they are doing salt farming, if that is the right word. Wow, first time I saw this salt farming near Mumbai, and now this is the second time I'm seeing this. ये सिग्नल चला गया बहुत देर से, सिग्नल नहीं है मैप का बहुत टाइम से. Honnavar straight ना सर. We are passing through this small village. So let's go. I guess we have to go through this and climb the entire hill. Okay. So let's go. Not sure. I guess not there. No. We had to take a right turn. Okay. Sorry. We don't have to go that side. So we are coming on this highway. ये आना कैसे जाएगा? Let's go to Honnavar. We have 35 more kilometers to go. So there are some notice boards, present on this road, on this highway, telling that it's a landslide prone zone. So don't try to come here in monsoon. Okay. And try to be safe. Can you see those? I think last year all the landslide happened. So it's quite evident that's a landslide prone zone, so be careful. बाबा वो देखो लैंडस्लाइड्स का, all the landslide happened I guess last year, right? So can you see? My God. Murudeshwar 48 kilometers. हाँ हाँ पिएंगे. So these are all backwaters. Wow, we are very close to Honnavar. So we have almost arrived near our resort, and okay. Again going at the top of the hill. Let's see. So this is ashram, 900 meters. So let's go and let's see how's the location. Oh, so sorry, I had a burp. It's in a complete off-road area. They have constructed their resort in the last corner of the hill. My God, ashram. Huh? No, I can go. Nothing will. No, nothing will happen. Just wait a minute. Okay, so this is the resort. And there we have the backwaters. Yeah. So let's go and let's see where we have our rooms. Let me go and ask in the reception.